Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I know this has been a long time coming, but here it is, the final review of the HMS Ark Royal and the Tribal Class Destroyer Revell 720 scale, 1720 scale, and this is a little slideshow of the progress that I've made since my last video. There's a destroyer. It was pretty rough to do. The molding was pretty I guess it's the age of the mold, but anyways, it was pretty bumpy, as you could see. And then there's the aircraft carrier itself, all colored and nice. And you notice in the earlier slides that the carrier looked pretty rough in the priming. So with some paint, you'll see the result there that it kind of hit all the flaws of the carrier. Did a really good job of hiding those flaws pretty well, and so you can see the aircraft in both ships. And then here's the carrier in its final form after spraying some clear coat varnish onto the carrier, the same varnish you could use for art supplies, but I sprayed it on there, gave it about 12 hours, and yeah, and this is the result. A very glossy finish on the carrier. And some people like to paint the clear coat on to preserve the paint work that they've done. I decided to spray mine with the gloss coating, so it turned out really well. And yeah, I'm manually turning the carrier to give you guys a pretty good overview on the results of all the work. It took about a week and a half, 2 weeks, on and off, about an hour or so per session to get it going. And I thought the destroyer would give me a lot of trouble, but it really didn't. So this little close-up shot on the destroyer, the HMS Eskimo. And then I'm gonna turn it around here. This the Ark Royal, and it only comes with the monoplane. It doesn't come with the swordfish biplanes, which I complained about in my previous video, but it is what it is. There's some of the detailing there. The paint job was pretty decent. I mean, the black stripe along the hull, I did it by hand. I didn't use a masking tape. I didn't feel like double taping the thing. I just did it by hand. And there's the naval ensign. I put some rigging onto the ships with a regular string and super glue. I'll point it right there. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. The pieces didn't really come together all that well. There was some gaps, pretty large gaps on the ship itself, so a lot of it had to be puttied with plastic putty. And you can kind of see the bumps, the welds on the red part of the hull there. And other than that, once you slap some paint and gloss on it, it looks really good. If I were to score this model kit, I'd probably give this, a B- or a C+. There are the propellers there, all nice and yellow. And yeah, this is my review, and I hope you found this helpful. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.